Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to see your bank IFSC code using phonepe application. So now for this, firstly, let's open your phonepe application, and after that here at the top you can see your profile icon. So just click on this. So and I am currently using the phonepe latest version. It's updated recently on March 2025. So make sure to update your phonepe application to the latest version. So now here you can see a profile icon. Just click on this. So now once go to the profile section, now you can see a manage payments. Click on this. Now here once you go down, here is the option UPI bank pay accounts. Click on this. Now here you can see your list of bank accounts. If you've not seen your bank account means, so just click on add new bank account. If your phonepe registered mobile number is same as the registered mobile number on your bank account, then you can easily able to add your bank account in your phonepe application, and after that select that particular bank account. Now here you can able to see your type of your bank account, branch details, and the IFSC code. So now in this way you can see your bank account IFSC code using the phonepe application. Well, that's it on this video guys, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.